During these difficult times, it's not easy to stay at home without binging on some show or series to deviate ourselves. And most of us like to binge on some food while watching our favorite series, don't we? So, we at Wholesome Eating decided to cheer you up with some healthy munching ideas and not make you feel guilty at the same time. We are presenting you with some amazing, super simple and easy dips. Yes, you heard us right. Dips that are perfect for summer, rainy, winter, basically all the seasons, all the occasions. Just pair up with some healthy snack or fruit or even with roti is just amazing. Since there are endless options to make these, it's really hard to fit everything in one video, right? So, we decided to compile some of our favorites into two videos. In today's part 1 of the dips, we got salsa, baba ganoush and red pepper dip. We'll chat more about them while making, and for now, let's just begin. To make salsa, which is a famous Mexican dip, let's begin by bringing a shallow pan on a low flame. To this, add olive oil, garlic, chilies, and tomatoes with a bit of salt. Saute it for 5 minutes or until the tomatoes turn soft and the raw flavor is gone. Coming to the nutrition part, vitamin C in the salsa helps in collagen production, which repairs skin, bone, and teeth. Now turn off the flame and add chopped onions and coriander leaves and mix it together. Super simple salsa is ready. This dip reminds me of the flavor street chat and traditionally served with corn chips and tacos. This low-calorie, nutrient-dense salsa can also be a great combination with rotis, fruit slices, bread, and rest. I'll leave up to your creativity. Now let's hop into the next one. Baba ganoush. Like the name, this recipe is also very interesting. And the key ingredient here is eggplant or brinjal. Take a big size brinjal like this and roast it on the low flame directly on the stove or until it forms a thin black layer around it. Remove the outer layer and carefully cut it into blendable pieces and add it to a jar. To this add tahini, garlic cloves, lemon juice, salt, pepper and cumin powder. Blend it to a fine paste to get the creamy consistency. Remember, eating foods like this gives you enough mineral content. They also help in maintain the electrolyte balance in the body. Good thing is, you don't have to chase for the options to combine this with. Just grab any veggie like carrot, celery, cucumber, and the options are endless. Now your baba ganoush is ready with that creamy texture and earthy and spicy flavors. So, this can be a quick fix when you feel low in energy next time. What do you guys think? Last dip on our list today is red pepper dip. Just like the eggplant, you need to roast the red pepper until it forms the black layer. While it's roasting, let me tell you a fun fact. You know how they say vitamin C is abundant in citrus fruits? Yeah, that's true, but it's 3 times more in peppers compared to a medium orange. Can you believe? So next time when you need to take vitamin C rich food, definitely think of peppers. Now back to the recipe. Peel the outer black layer and cut it into chunks. To a blender, add boiled and peeled potatoes, pepper chunks, basil leaves, tahini, lemon juice, garlic cloves, salt, ground pepper and olive oil. You know the drill. Make it into a fine paste. I can't explain enough how well this goes with any food combination you can think of. Not just that, it's both vitamins and minerals rich dip. So try out these dips and happily share with friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy. If you are enjoying our videos, please like, share and don't forget to leave your comments.